Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, got a hot new product out. It's called Cocky Food. Yeah, listen to the name. I'ma say it again. It's called Cocky Food. With a name like that, I wonder what you're gonna do with that product. Oh, I'm just gonna say it one more again. It's called Cocky Food. Yeah, get it in your life. I'm gonna let you listen to some audio. Not right now though, but a little later. He's on his way back. He's on his way back. He's on his way back. The Dark Knight. Oh, look at that ball right there, y'all. Just wait, okay? I look a little pasty right now. It's all good. It's all good.